Hello guys, today I am going to share with you the full version of Proteus 8 software. I hope you are going to enjoy this software installation and download video because it is totally free. So anyways, let's get started with how to install and download Proteus 8 software. I will give the download link in description box. You have to download the software first. Once you download the files, now under them, place them in some folder. It takes some time to complete. Wait until it complete. It's going to complete. Yeah, it is complete. So now, next thing you need to do to run the setup file from the package, and it will start to install. This process may take some time also, so click here next and activate this software. Yes, click this one, first one actually, and click next. No need to click the second one, click the first one and again next, and no need to mark any of these three things, and just click here next. And the first one, okay, typically installed on the first one, and it is going to complete within 1 or 2 minutes, I hope. And wait until the full complete. Now it is okay, now it is complete, and close this bar. Click here close. And now we have to do some new things here. Just go to the crack, okay, and go to the license. After clicking the license, here you have to install browse for key. Here is given on there, and after clicking on there, you have to install it. Here is install it key already. I have. Now what you have to do, just click. You have to copy the bin. Okay, so just select the bin and copy. Select copy from here. Select copy it from here, and now you have to go C drive from your computer. Here is C drive, and go to the program file into 86, and you have to find the Labcenter Electronics. From here you have to just what you have copied, just you have to paste here. So click paste, and you have to replace all of the file. Okay, so click the replace, and you have to continue it, and you have to copy the another file which is given on there. Go on there and select the from crack, select the models file from here. Just copy it and go again the C drive. Okay, C drive. Okay, go C drive here, and here you have to go not file. Okay, and now we have to go the program data. It is shown here, and Labcenter Electronics. You have to click here and click the Proteus 8 Professional, and you have to paste here. Okay, you have to paste here. Before this, I want to share you something that a program data is hidden file. Okay, so some of your computer maybe it is not going to show. So what you have to do, just click. You have to click the hidden file. Okay, I am just showing you that it is, if it is not clicked or it is not mark already in your computer, it is not going to show. So you have to just show it on here, and you have to go again here and just paste it on in here and replace. Okay, so you have to replace all the files in the destination. Okay, replace. Click the replace one, and it is almost done, I hope. Let's open the Proteus 8 professional software from here, and it is going to open, and I click the IS1. Okay, so that we can test the software is work or not. Okay, this software is going to work, I hope. let's test one. So from here let get one blue LED. Double click, okay, and just double click it. It is on in selected place, and let get a battery from here, and the battery source actually. Let's double click it here from here, and it is come on selected file. Okay, selected here. Now we are going to just connect a battery with a blue LED. Okay, just connect it here. We are going to check it that the software is going to work or not, and I am just connected it a blue LED with a battery, and just I am click on there to simulate. Okay, it is the light LED is on, so the socket is what. Thank you for watching this video.